Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mga madaman, sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang mga dapat ninyong malaman tungkol sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong career, or business. Okay. Ayan. Bago ako magsimula, gusto ko lang i-announce na meron na tayong feedback sa ating financial blockages removal and money spell jar. Okay, again, this is 850 pesos kasi 2-in-1 po yan. After a month or so, after a month and a few days, nagkaroon din tayo ng feedback sa ating 2-in-1 financial removal. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa po ako. Makikita nyo yung feedback sa Facebook page, Bonum Magus. Okay, Bonum Magus na po tayo. Okay. Ayan. So, Aries, kamusta? I hope you are all doing well, my beloved Aries. Ayan. Okay. By the way, sa gustong magpa-shout out, ayan, message lang po kayo, comment lang po kayo. Okay? Aries, ano mga dapat ninyong malaman tungkol sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong career, money, and business? Okay? And of course, syempre, kukuha tayo ng advice galing sa inyong guardian angels. Okay? Spirit guardian angels, ano ang mga mensahe or gabay na dapat nilang malaman, Aries, ng Aries, about sa ilang kaperahan. Oh, you have the Ace of Wands. Mukhang may gusto kang simulan, Aries. Okay, you are inspired to do something. You have the Two of Swords. You have the Star. And you have the Seven of Cups. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo mukhang stress lately. Okay. Meron kang pinag-iisipang gustong simulan. You are inspired to do something. There's a new beginning for you for a lot of Aries regarding their inspired ideas. Some of you nagsisimula pa lang sa negosyo, or maybe you're trying to start something new in your money related career, ganyan, kaperahan. Maybe you're inspired to create something, and that hoping that your dreams and wishes will come true. Okay? You have this hope, you nakahanap or nagkaroon ka ng pag-asa, panibagong pag-asa na lahat ng mga pangarap mo matutupad. And you will. But right now, mukhang meron kang pinag-iisipan na desisyon. At nahirap kang pumili sa desisyon na yan. Tama ba, Aries? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Nahirapan kang pumili. Nahirapan kang magdesisyon sa iyong with regards to your money, business, career, ayan, kaperahan. May gusto kang simulan may gusto kang, and you're inspired to do this. It's one of your hopes and dreams na gustong gawin to, itong bagay na to. Okay, kung anong man yan. Kaya lang, nagdadalawang isip ka pa with the Two of Swords. Parang nagdadalawang isip ka, ano, itutuloy ko ba, may lakas pa ba akong gawin to, kaya ko ba to. Andun din yung mga doubts and fears, no? Okay, magiging successful ba to? Okay, maganda ba ang kakahinatnan nito? Okay, matutupad na ba ang mga pangarap ko dito? Mga ganun. No, tama ba? Now, sige. Alamin naman natin kung ano ang advice sa iyo ng yung spirit guides and guardian angels. Ayan. So, Aries, tignan natin no, kung ano ang advice sa iyo ng mga angels, ano ang mensahe nila about sa sitwasyon mo, sa kaperahan, ayan, business, and money and career. Okay. Spirit guides and angels, ano ang advice niyo sa ating Aries about sa kaperahan, money, career, and business. You have visualize abundance in all forms. So sabi dito, God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings. And that is what you will experience. Kung lagi ka daw mag-iisip ng mga magaganda, mga healthy, positive, and puno ng biyaya, yan din ang ma-attract nyo daw, sabi ng guardian angel. So, it's very important what you visualize. If you visualize abundance in all forms, then that's what you will attract. Okay? Because God gave you a very great spiritual power na lahat kaya mo ma-visualize. At lahat, ano man yung ma-visualize mo, magiging totoo, magkakatotoo. Okay? Ayan. I think there has something to do with this star. Lahat ng mga ini-imagine mo, magkakatotoo. So, if I were you, kung mag-i-imagine ka na lang din, at kung mag-visualize ka na lang din, yun ang magaganda, di ba? O, di ba? So, wala kang dapat talaga ipag-alala. Kasi tutulungan ka ni God. Tutulungan kayo ng guardian angels sa problema mo sa kaperahan. So, it's very important talaga na maging positive tayo lagi. Okay? Next, you have windfall of abundance. Aries, claim this if I were you. I'm also an Aries, so I'm so excited. Okay? Sabi dito, an increase in abundance is arriving in many different forms. Some of them unexpected. Be open to receiving and know that this abundance comes to you to support your life of purpose, health, and charitable work, especially sa mga taong mapagbigay. Ayan, bibiyaan ka maybe around Christmas because we have Santa Claus. Oh my goodness! May daming biyaya ang darating sa ating Aries around Christmas. Nakita ko si Santa Claus maybe around Christmas. O, diba? May bonus, Christmas bonus, something like that. O, diba? Next, you have pay yourself first. Okay. Make yourself your most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income every time you are paid. This loving form of self-care ensures that you'll have savings to invest in your present and your future. So, advice ng Spirit Guides Aries, mag-ipon. Mag-ipon, pay yourself first. Yung pag-ipunan nyo para sa sarili ninyo. Okay? Yan po ang advice. Okay, last card. God is your source. Oh my God, I love this. This meant for me. God has always been my source. God has always been my source. God has always been my ultimate source. And the archangels and spirit guides, sabi dito, everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. Oh my goodness, Aries. My goodness, ang daming may biyayang darating talaga. Okay, so maniwala ka lang. It's very important to think positive. Kasi kung negative ka, hindi mangyayari to. Trust me. Pag negative ka sa buhay, walang mangyayari. So, i-change yung mindset ninyo. Okay? Have faith, be patient, magdasal. Prayer is a very powerful tool. Okay, papakinggan kayo ng guardian angels ninyo. So, ayan, Aries, yan po ang mensahe sa'yo, okay, ng mga guardian angels sa spirit guides patungkol sa inyong money, career, and business. Maraming salamat, Aries. Let me know if this reading resonates with you, and I'll see you next time. Okay, God bless, ingat po, Aries, and I'll see you next time. Paalam!